Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel. So basically, if you already have a Google account, you can just sign in with your Google account on YouTube. You can just open the youtube.com like this, and then when you click on your profile at the top right corner, you'll see in here view your channel. So it will automatically create a channel, so you can just here start uploading videos if you want to, or you can also customize your channel by clicking on the view your channels in here, and you can see you can manage videos. And here, this is the customized channel option. You can change the name of the channel, you can change the photo, and you can see the dashboard, content, analytics, comments in here. You can go to the basic info to change the name in here. You can also add descriptions about your channel, and you can also add external links with your viewers. For example, you have Instagram or TikTok page, you can also add the link in here, or you can also add the contact info by adding your email address here, and just like that your channel will be created. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on